Hi, everybody. This is Gary doing Sentiment Timing, and this is a brief video recap that I'm doing this week. And because I did one on Tuesday, and typically I don't do them on Thursdays, but we have something that's going on, and instead of just sending it out in an email, I figured I'd do just a little rundown as far as what has taken place. So remember, at Sentiment Timing, our belief is that human beings in the markets are irrational, and there's always going to be an irrational element in the market, and we try to look for those irrational elements because it's going to create a market opportunity, and we use that through Woody's sentiment database, his technical timing indicators, and then we combine that with technical analysis to figure out where. So we have what is going to happen based on Woody's just 40 years experience in the market, when it's going to happen based off of his technical timing indicators, and then we go to the technical analysis to figure out where. So last time I left you, and this is right before I sent you out the free newsletter saying that we are anticipating Friday and Monday that was going to be low, and this was Friday and Monday. And in Tuesday, I left you with we had an 8% bullish reading, so sentiment was pretty low, and at the S&P had found support. Now, the call that we were looking for on the downside really was only for Friday and Monday, and from there, well, let me just go to this is what was sent out. So it was so the week was looking for weakness on 6/12 and also on 6/15. Just 2 days. It wasn't an extended move that we were looking for. And then what it was the FOMC vibration should be friendly and positive drift into. So let's just go and take a look at things. And this is the S&P. This was Monday. This was the low. This was the drift into the FOMC meeting, and today we continued higher. Now, remember, we already know when the next top is supposed to be. So until that happens, we're probably either going to chop around a little bit or continue higher. So the trade off of the high sentiment on last Friday was down, and then no one should have been short going into that because it was only a 2-day drop, and from there we've seen the S&P go past these highs. So in a matter of 5 days, so I guess you got Friday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, and today's Thursday, 92 points in 5 days, and these are on exact dates. So it was Monday and Friday, Monday, that was down, and from there we held support. You should have known that. And now we're probably going to be heading higher into the next turn date, which our members already know. And just these two trades alone, just going off of these two calls, I'm at 92 points. If you bought just 10 contracts in the SPY puts and calls, I mean, we don't put out trade alerts, so you have to know a little bit on your own. But if you just did that, 10 of them probably would have cost you maybe $3,000, $2,000 investment. You're talking close to probably $8,000 or $9,000 profit, and that's in 5 days, and that's just going off of these turn dates. Now remember, we have a black hole event that is pending. It's coming in, and it was been scheduled for the third quarter. Guess what happens in the next 2 weeks? In the next 10 days, we're starting the third quarter. So one of these moves is taking place, and that's what you have to be careful of. So just to sum things up, we have, going back to the S&P, where this is just on a technical note here. We've had a very, very big move off of here. Very overbought, but we don't have bearish divergences. My guess is we're going to probably do some backing and filling. We could head higher. This isn't a trade that we're going down, but most likely it's just going to test the support level or hold one of these and then head up into Woody's projected top turn date. And from there, really what we're looking for is probably some more market weakness or chopping around, but we'll cross that bridge when we get there. But the lack of bearish divergences here tells me that the pullback is probably just going to be a pullback before we head higher, but it might get choppy. Again, this is just off a technical basis. We already know when to expect the the larger, drop, or when a top is pending. So that's pretty much all we have. Like I said, I just wanted to recap things. This was the move down. This is the move up. It's 92 points in 5 days. A lot of traders have, if you've just been buying or shorting from all the way from January and holding, you've really gone nowhere. And these are the types of moves that we have. So, again, pending black hole event is there. And if you are interested, if you want to be trading with confidence with Woody Dorsey's sentiment data, which is secret, it's only his, and somebody who's been doing this for over 30 years, this is the special I was talking about. We ran this in the seminar. We've never done this. We've never given away 14 days. The most we've done was 7 days on this. So if you are interested, this is the coupon code. You want to copy and paste that. It's at the bottom of the video page there. And put it in the coupon code, and you will get the next 2 weeks. Now, just a quick note. If you took another one of our specials and you have canceled, and I've seen you've been in and out 3 or 4 times, and you just jump in on specials, you can sign up, but you're just going to get deleted off. So don't bother. If you've taken advantage of 2 or 3 specials in a row and you canceled, don't sign back up. We don't want you. We're not here to just give things away. So you know who you are. If you've been in and out 3 or 4 times just jumping on specials, don't do this one. Sign up for our regular service for $150, because you're just going to get deleted off the service. But if you're interested in joining and finding out what this is all about, take advantage of it. I do promise you this is going to be pulled. Our promotion guy doesn't even notice. I'm the one that put this up because we had already put it in for the webinar. So it could be gone as soon as tomorrow. It may be, whenever. But take advantage of it. With that, have a great weekend, and I'll talk to you guys next week.